Hey there LEGO fans! Welcome back to the final release from the 2020 holiday series. And for today's release, we have LEGO's freebie kit of the year, Charles Dickens' A Christmas Carol. Kit number 40410 at 333 pieces. And this tiny little freebie kit, all cute, should be just a simple nice little way of rounding out the holiday season. So, without further delay, let's get this thing assembled so we can have a closer look at A Christmas Carol.
Here we go!
This Charles Dickens' A Christmas Carol kit is both cute and charming in how it brings one of the scenes from the end of the story and recreates it on top of the book for us to enjoy. Here we have Bob Crackett with his son Timothy, better known as Tiny Tim, in their modest, somewhat run-down home with their little fireplace, a little wreath above that, some artwork to display, and a tiny, kind of sad-looking little Christmas tree with no presents underneath it. But despite all this, the two of them having all the warmth and joy of the holiday season within them. And just outside, we have Ebenezer Scrooge, who, despite his massive wealth, is all alone for holiday season. And when he looks through the window of this modest little home and sees all the warmth and joy that he can't have despite all his riches, his heart is melted as he discovers the true meaning of Christmas. And this lovely little scene, as I said, is all created on top of a book, with line bricks being used to create the pages on three sides of the book, and having a very lovely, ornate spine, which also has a hidden feature of a little drawer which pops open for storing whatever you want. Getting a closer look at our three minifigures, we've got Bob Crackett wearing his vest, Tiny Tim with his cane and scarf, and Ebenezer Scrooge wearing the best money can buy, and also having what I think to be the best LEGO top hat that I've seen to date. And that pretty much wraps up the Charles Dickens' A Christmas Carol kit, another of LEGO's 2020 holiday season freebies that I'm most definitely pleased to present to you on December 24th as my gift to all of you. Merry Christmas and all the season's best.